Look at this refrigerator with TV. It's the first time that we saw this. So amazing, right, Josh? You like it, Josh? Touch the screen, Josh.
Yes.
Yeah, turn around. Turn around and you can touch the screen. Yeah. Yeah, touch the screen. Look at that. What do you want? Family. Oh. Yeah, calendar.
Sync calendars for family activities and events.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Touch. How about the family board?
Customize your family board with notes, stickers, and photos.
Oh, nice. Right? How about go back to main menu? Food.
You did say you'd come back, right?
Yep. View
Huh?
inside. Yeah.
Good.
3
That's it,
built-in cameras let you see inside from the grocery store or anywhere.
Nice. Look. Touch. Recipe. Yeah. Recipe. Touch. My recipe. Go back. Go back. Oh, what happened? You can't touch anymore. Look at that pool.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
I'm glad you're smaller. If you were taller, we couldn't get that.